Should we go up and see if those people are alright?
A call went out because of the timing of the fires. A lot of the accommodation and supporting infrastructure was full from tourists and from other pressures. So it was asked and suggested that the marae, if they were available, be offered as an option to accommodate evacuees.
We have always prided ourselves on Manakitanga to whānau and the wider community, and so to open up for the evacuees to come no matter who and no matter where from, we were willing to do that and offer that Manakitanga to them.
It was the first time it became real, I think, for our marae to experience these civil emergencies. Having a fire so close to our marae here also put added pressures and considerations for the committee and the iwi when the marae was asked to open.
The marae was successful because, one, it ensured people were at ease, and through Manakitanga that occurred. It was also an opportunity for people to not be judged, to be able to come again and to be in a safe space. And when you're involved with a fire, you're in that fight or flight mode and extremely stressed and extremely emotional. And so it was about giving them unconditional support.
As a kaimahi working out within supporting whānau to where they needed to be, we forgot about ourselves and our needs, both in terms of accommodation as well as a kai. So we were lucky that we had the marae here, both for myself and my whānau.
After the 3 or 4 days, some of them didn't want to go home.
It was hard kicking them out. That was a huge, I had to come in and awhi them in terms of building up their resilience to return home. But the marae made it such a safe place for them and so welcoming that they felt safer here than they did at home. The vibe at Whakatū Marae was amazing.
Our marae whakatauki is whakamanatia te tapu, te ihi, te wehi o te whānau, and it's really about empowering our whānau and giving them the chance to uplift their mana.
When things are at their worst, we're at our best, our people, and our biggest asset is our ability to manaki people, ahako koai no hea, no matter who they are, where they're from, and it just flicked into gear. I think the government realised for communities by communities is the best option when trying to support people through difficult times, especially civil emergencies, because the locals know each other, they know where the resources are, they know what to do. They just need a little bit of shaping and coordinating to do it.